you're testing something that has never been tested. It's like this hot fire test was the first time we were actually putting the system together and try it out.
You don't know what you don't know until you get a test. I've been testing a long time in my life, and when we went through the last test, it was a good test setup, but we discovered some challenges with the hardware.
We had a little disappointment a year ago, and the vehicle was not designed to be reused twice, so in addition to the new hardware that got redesigned, we had to replace a lot of components.
It was a hold your breath moment for about 4.5 seconds while the engines were firing. This had so many moving parts, and have it all come together in one fell swoop was just outstanding.
I want to say thanks to everybody. It's a lot of expertise in this room.
What would you say to people who think we're moving slow?
They need to spend a week with us. You need to take the time to do it right, because ultimately that will save you.